Isang mainit na pagbati ng magandang hapon mga kababayan, gayon pa man mahirap pong ngumiti at mahirap pong magsaya dahil alam natin kung ano ang nangyayari sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Another super typhoon, big typhoon, has hit the Philippines causing flooding. Cavite, hardest hit area, and because of that, damages to properties, there are injuries, there are people, kababayan, still missing, and there are those who actually drowned and in the floods and passed away. Ronnie Ligo of Balita has more for us today. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Ronnie.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Janelle. No? Gaya nga na nabanggit mo, napakahirap pumati ng ating mga kababayan. At any rate, actually the flooding in the Philippines was caused by a tropical storm Maring, tapos monsoon rains, ibig sabihin yung sinasabi nilang habagat coming from China Sea, southwest area, tapos affected ang buong western part, and then from the northern part of the Philippines, the west area, and all the way to Calabarzon, yung mga parte ng Laguna, Batangas, Laguna is the worst area hit din sa mga bandang southern part kasi talagang waist deep or neck deep waters pa. Even Pasay City was overhead waters daw ang flooded areas dyan,
Okay.
So talagang maraming kababayan natin na apekto.
Ronnie, just to put things in perspective, some people were, pareho tayong napuyat kagabi, monitoring this. Some people were likening it to Ondoy, some were likening it to Habagat, which happened a few years ago, or
Right.
was it last year, 2 years ago? Last year, rather. Ronnie, how strong is Typhoon Maring? At kaya ba nagkaganon? Dahil din may combination pa ng Habagat at typhoon, and at the same time, a lot of the flooding was also caused by the dams overflowing.
O kailangan talaga yung mga dams na yun, pagka kasi may critical area sila, may critical level na kailangan i-release yung mga tubig doon . Of course, yung mga low-lying areas, Cainta, yung mga ganyan, of course, yung mga ibang area sa atin, especially Central Luzon, laging binabahaya mga yan. Kasi this actually tropical storm Maring is ang problema rito is sobrang rainfall. Isang area diyan 18 inches daw ang bumagsak sa area na yan. So ito too much rain, at sabi mo nga nabanggit mo like 2009 yung Ondoy, 80% of Manila was submerged in water. At ito ngayon, ganun din na nangyayari sa ating mga kapaligiran doon sa Metro Manila.
Okay, we have the latest report from the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council from the Philippines, Ronnie. 53 casualties sa ngayon, 8 po ang patay. Also affected, 125,348 families, and malaki ang damage, Ronnie, 1,714 pesos yung tinatayang pinsala nitong bagyo at habagat na ito, Ronnie. It's just a sad occurrence.
Of course, at alam natin na dami pa yan, so far 8 dead sabi nila, pero there are a lot of people who are still missing, at itong mga namatay na ito is of course ang cause is drowning, at iba daw mga collapsing fences, and of course itong ang problema sa atin is konti ang warning, sabi nila, so marami ang mga tao na apektuhan. Sabi nila is yung iba naman is nakatira sa mga bungalow, so wala silang higher ground na pupuntahan, at wala rin makakatulong dahil lahat ng apektado ng itong baha na ito.
All right, Ronnie, in other news, also sad news, this one coming from Cebu, a ferry has collided with a cargo ship, causing a lot of deaths as well. I think the latest count is 63 people.
64 na yata, Janelle, ang nakuha ko ngayong umaga, 64 people so far. At alam natin na marami pa yan kasi earlier 200 were reported missing, at tumaas na 64 deaths. So marami pa raw mga bodies yata na na-trap doon sa ferry na yan. No, nabanggit mo nga na dalawang ship, isang cargo ship at yung isang ferry, of course, it has a lot of people in it. So ngayon, yung mga divers ng Philippine Coast Guard are trying to retrieve these bodies, off Cebu.
All right, our kababayans are reeling from these disasters, yung ship sinking, ferry sinking, and yung typhoon Maring. In the midst of all that, where is Napoles?
Yan ang masakit, Janelle, no? Meron tayong ganitong crisis na tragedy na nangyayari sa ating bayan. Apparently, the siblings, Ryan Lim and Janet Lim Napoles are probably using this time to, probably flee the Philippines. I hope na makakapture natin siya at ma-enlighten natin ng ating mga kababayan kung sino ba talaga ang involved dito sa pork barrel scam na ito. Ang lalaki ng halaga nito, 900 million yata or whatever, no? So ito kailangan hanapin talaga. The NBI said that they are all over the country and all ports of entries are being monitored by their people. Even Philippine Coast Guard personnel have been tapped to find who are involved in pork barrel scam.
Imagine 900 million pesos, Ronnie, na sana ay nagagamit ng ating mga kababayan, na pupunta sa ating mga kababayan for disaster relief, for to help with the sewage, para maiwasan yung mga pagbabaha. Ronnie, this is such sad news. For now, thank you for sharing those stories with us.
Maraming pong salamat sa inyo.
Mas marami pa po kaming updates sa pagbabalik ng Kababayan Today.